We're starting off with our drained 6 pound and 8 ounces can of sliced peaches. Go ahead and make sure that's evenly distributed in your greased 13 by 9. Ooh, those peaches smell incredible. We're instantly coming in with some ground cinnamon. This dessert is just so easy, so delicious, and super quick to make. If you love peaches, you are going to want to try this delicious dessert. Okay, once we get a nice kind of layer of cinnamon on top of our peaches, we're going to bring in our sugar cookie mix. Now, traditionally, this recipe calls for a cake mix, but I just love sugar cookies so much, so I'm swapping the cake mix for a sugar cookie mix. You could do a snickerdoodle mix, you could do a white cake mix, a yellow cake mix, a pecan cake mix. The options are endless, and that's why this dessert is so fun and delicious, because you can really customize it however you like. But we're gonna use this whole bag of sugar cookie mix on top of our sweet peaches with that cinnamon. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to eat this. All right, we got that whole bag in there, and that was just the 17.5 ounce bag. We are now just gonna come in with our unsalted butter. You can use salted if that's what you have. And we are gonna grab our little slices of butter just like this, and we're gonna place them right on top of that sugar cookie mix. This is gonna help create a crust for our little peach cobbler that we're putting together. I know this isn't a traditional peach cobbler, but this is kind of a take on it for those, easygoing people that don't wanna spend all day in the kitchen. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and lay out our butter across this dessert, just evenly spreading it out. As you can see, I'm doing rows of 4. These are super thin slices, so we should get a lot of land coverage with this stick. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go ahead and quickly get these on here so that we can throw it in the oven and it can be ready to eat. All right, our butter is set. My oven is at 350, and this is gonna bake for 45 minutes. All right, while our peach dessert is in the oven, I'm gonna grab a chilled metal bowl, and I have 1 pint of heavy whipping cream that we're gonna pour right into our chilled bowl. Beautiful. Next, I'm gonna come in with some vanilla extract. We are gonna add 1 teaspoon. Oh, this one has the lid still on. 1 teaspoon right into our heavy cream. You can use whatever extract flavoring you like. You could do a lemon, a peppermint, whatever you like, but I think vanilla goes perfectly with peaches. And now we're gonna add some powdered sugar. We are just making a super simple and delicious whipped topping. It's so easy, so good, and everyone will love it with that peach dessert. I added about 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Now I'm gonna come in with my hand mixer, and we're gonna whip this up until we get some beautiful peaks. Now you could just buy some Ready Whip and top that onto your peach dessert, but I personally love a homemade whipped cream. It's so easy and so delicious. The tip here is to have your house be chilled and your bowl be chilled. So let's go ahead and turn this up and get this whipped. Okay, so it has been 4 minutes of whipping, and I think that looks perfect. Oh yeah, so tasty, so thick. We're gonna pop this in the fridge until our peach dessert is ready. Oh my, it smells like peach cobbler. Ooh, this is gonna be delicious. It is time to scoot us a beautiful piece. Oh my gosh, all those peach juices. I don't know why I can't talk today. Oh my goodness. Looks so good. Don't forget we have that homemade whipped cream that we put together. Just gonna put a nice little dollop. That looks incredible. The sugar cookie topping, the peaches, the whipped cream. Oh my gosh, the whipped cream is melting because it's so hot. Mmm.